Thank you for joining our daily outlook, and today we'll cover the changes in the euro-dollar pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The S&P 500 index closed higher as investors were still optimistic over trade talks between the United States and its trading partners, despite President Donald Trump's latest salvo to double tariffs on imported steel and aluminium. Tether announced a partnership with the Ton Foundation to debut an omnichain version of its gold stablecoin XAUT on the open network. In an effort to expand the token across ecosystems, XAUT, the token's non-omnichain version, is the largest gold stablecoin by market capitalization, with over $832 million. US manufacturing contracted for a third straight month in May, and suppliers took the longest time in nearly 3 years to deliver inputs amid tariffs, potentially signaling looming shortages of some goods.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 1:30 GMT, Spain's unemployment change at 7 GMT, the Eurozone's unemployment rate at 9 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT, the US Redbook index at 12:55 GMT, Australia's current account balance at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.